See, man, I look like I'm sweating. It's hot, boy. It's probably like 80 right now, 85, something like that. But nah, man. See, I'm downloading a few clips off the GoPro right now. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm sitting in the parking garage right now. Just chilling, man. Just chilling, enjoying the weather in the shade right now. I was getting some few pics of the whipping one now, you know. That's a dope pic right there, that angle. You peep the cinematics on that. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm just downloading a few clips. The clip is it's an exhaust clip. I'm doing a raw exhaust sound upload. So I put my GoPro on the bumper. I don't even know. I feel like the camera was mad close, but I put my GoPro on the bumper, and I did some driving. So, the exhaust I have now is Burke non-resonated test pipes to an ISR wide pipe down to a Z1 single, no resonator. So I'll show you what it look like if I can. Like I said, Z1 single, ISR wide pipe, and then Burke test pipes. You can't really see it, but this joint in the parking lot kind of. I already got a few videos, got some reels, but like I said, uploading these videos, I'm gonna get out this content right here. And, yeah, man, I'll definitely see you on the next video. I've been working a lot on the back end, so right now I'm not posting a lot, but I'm gonna get back to it real soon. Like I said, I'm just working on the back end, so I feel like it's dark. Can y'all see me? I had the back. Oh yeah. But yeah, man, I'm gonna upload that. Do all your due diligence. I'll get that from Tall Guy, Mr. Organic Due Diligence. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe, follow the IGs, follow the socials, buy something off the merch page, man. Y'all know what it is, man. I'll see you on the next one. I'm gonna be uploading soon, but damn, it's hot in this motherfucker. But yeah. man.